Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a checklist in ClickUp. So, first thing you need to do is log in into your account, then open a task in which you want to add a list of items. So, let's go. I have task right here, so I will click on it. Now scroll down to the checklist or action item. So right here you will see checklist section near the task description. Click create checklist or create checklist button. Now we can add items. Type each item and press enter to add it to the list. So we can do test 1, enter. Then what we can do number 2 and so on. So I can adding these items in. So you can also paste a multiple line list and ClickUp will automatically create a separate checklist item for each line. So you can also rename here on the checklist, or you can also assign to other people if you have them in your team. So this is basically how you can create a checklist in your task in ClickUp. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.